After spending some good time in Kodaikanal, we are now heading towards a beautiful village called Kookal, which is around 31 kilometers from the main town of Kodaikanal. If you haven't watched my previous episodes of Kodaikanal travel series, then I have added a link in this video description, so please check it out. Also, if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. We have stopped our car at Palani Malai View Point and look at these layers of mountains and valleys, which looks so beautiful, and the lush greenery adds more value to it. The mountains are covered with fog and the weather is bit cloudy, so the visibility is not that good. But on a clear day, you can actually witness a good view of the Palani Murugan temple from this viewpoint. There is a temple at the far distance, which also looks so beautiful. The duration from Kodaikanal to Kookal is around 1.5 hours, and we were stopping our car wherever we see some good viewpoints during this journey. After driving for like 20 kilometers from Kodaikanal, we have stopped our car to look at this beautiful village, Poombarai. Poombarai is a small village, stands at a height of 1920 meters above sea level. And this village is famous for its lush greenery, terrace farming and stunning landscapes surrounded by some beautiful mountains. You will find these pine trees in most of the places around Kodaikanal, which are standing tall on either side of the road and makes it a pleasant drive through this forest area. We took this right from the main road, and there are some signboards which helps to direct you to reach your places. And if the network is not working in the mountain region, then you can make use of these signboards. It is so beautiful to drive through these eucalyptus trees on either side of the road. We still have like 5 kilometers to reach our destination, and the roads are very narrow. We have noticed a couple of trucks and buses taking this route, and it gets difficult to drive and give some space for the heavy vehicles which are coming from the opposite direction. So be careful while driving on this road. Apart from that, this route is so beautiful to drive through. The cattle and buffaloes blocking our way, the women carrying some firewood on their head and rushing towards their houses, indicating us that we are almost near to the Kookal village. After driving for like 1.5 hours, we have arrived at this beautiful location called Kookal Lake. Kookal Lake is one of the must-visit places situated near Kookal village in the outskirts of Kodaikanal. The lotus plants are spread out on almost everywhere on this lake, and on a clear day you can witness the reflection of the surrounding hills and the trees over the lake, which adds more charm to this place. So guys, we have arrived at our stay, the Kookal Eco Farms, and we are gonna stay here for next 2 days. So let me take you inside this wooden cottage and provide some details about our stay. As you enter, there is a small balcony where you can spend some time by looking at the nature. The cottage has a tiny living room added with some furniture which makes you feel like a home, and these sofas can be converted into double bed, and it can accommodate 3 people in the living room, and it is best suited for bachelors as well. If you like to read some books, then there are some books kept in the shelf to read and use your time to relax. There is a dining table and a small pantry where you can prepare some instant tea and coffee. The bathroom looks pretty clean and decent, and the hot water is available throughout the day. Here is the tiny bedroom with queen size bed and a small wardrobe to keep your things. Since this cottage is situated in the middle of the nature, we got a very good sleep in this room. But make sure you carry some warm clothes, as this place might go below 15 degrees Celsius even in daytime. We booked this wooden cottage through Airbnb, which costed around 5,500 per day, which included complimentary breakfast, and we had visited this place in the month of Feb. I will add the contact details of this property in this video description, so please check it out. It was around 5:30 in the evening when we reached this place, so couldn't explore much on the day 1 of our stay. The next morning we had some delicious breakfast, puttu with kadla curry and some omelets, and of course with some beautiful view of the nature. Along with us, we had our new guest for the breakfast, and it was like 3 of us enjoying this delicious home cooked food. Instead of having some normal breakfast like idli vada or dosas, we got an option to try some different kind of food to have in this stay. So on a day 3, we were served with some delicious and tasty Kerala style idiyappam with veg stew as a combination of vegetables like carrot, beans, potatoes and peas, and some cashews as well, which creates a great taste when you mix it with idiyappam. You can also give order for lunch or dinner with both veg and non-veg, and you will be served with good homely food. The caretaker of this stay, Mr. Ratish, and his wife, who prepared some delicious homely food for us, and they were so kind and really appreciate them for their friendly approach. The Kookal Eco Farm is located in a 5 acres property, surrounded by lush greenery and the eucalyptus trees with a beautiful view of Kookal Lake, which creates a different vibe and one of the best places for relaxation. So let me show you some aerial view of this property. As I mentioned before, Kookal is a rural place situated around 30 kilometers from the main town of Kodaikanal. So, if you are planning to visit this place in your private vehicle, then make sure you have enough fuel in your vehicle, or you can fill it at Kodaikanal itself, as there are no petrol bunks or gas stations available anywhere near to this place. So guys, let me take a walk and show you the other side of this property. There is a cattle shed on the left which looks empty. And in front of us we have our caretaker Mr. Ratish's house. It might look a bright sunny day here, but we were still feeling cold as the temperature around this place is below 20 degrees Celsius. And I believe that the people staying in and around this place are luckiest one who always gets a chance to indulge in the beauty of nature. Apart from wooden cottage, this property also have a mud house which can accommodate 2 people. So even if you are a bigger family or a group of 6 to 7 people, you can still stay at this property. Beyond this tiny wooden gate, the complete area is protected with electric fence. And we took the permission from our caretaker to access this place. And the outsiders are not allowed unless you are the guest who is staying in this property for that particular date. There is a small pond at the end of this property which looks so beautiful. And here are the cows came out from the cattle shed to graze some grasses for the day. So look at this scenic view available at this place. The mountains in the backdrop, a pond in the middle, and the cows doing their business. I think this is the perfect place for someone who wants to escape from noisy city life and enjoy the time by watching this beautiful nature surrounded by lush green vegetation and to consume some fresh natural air. We had our perfect stay at Kookal Eco Farms. And if you also want to visit this place and enjoy the natural surroundings, then I have added the contact details in this video description. So please check it out. Also, if you like this video, then please hit on like button and share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. We'll come back soon with a new episode. Until then, take care